So I got this Westinghouse, this model right here, this 9500. So basically when we started it, it will start if you spray the starter fluid. So that will start and keep running if you keep spraying. So we thought it was one of these actuator right there that opened the gas, which that was right. That was kind of not right. I'm sorry, it's not. We thought it's a carburetor, so they sent me all this anew. Basically we still under warranty, so I thought we thought it was a carburetor. So it's not a carburetor. So the first thing you do, you want to jump. There's two wire right there. So one of them, this is ground, and then this is power. So you jump 12 volt to it and then push start. If it's running, that means this is not bad. The actuator is not bad. So what we was doing, we're gonna have to replace. Oh shoot, which one's new? We had to replace this computer right here. This computer is not sending a 12 volt when it's turned on to actuate that fuel turn on. So you know, you got to take a few screw out and a couple of this out right there. This hose for the gas and propane combo, and that's it. Just two screw right there. Put it back and plug it, and it should work.